Hi, it's Jeannie. Come watch me as I refresh my family room. You guys know I love to clean and declutter and organize. I can't stand a nasty room or a room that just got stuff everywhere. So I tell you, I do this, believe it or not, at least once a week. Not necessarily vacuuming, as you see, but once a week we have like a major clean out. So it's also time for me to refresh my coffee table. So as you see, that's very important. It brings the aesthetics to life in my home. But cleaning to me is very therapeutic. It just helps me relax. It helps me think. It calms me down. It makes me organize and think about what I need to do and should not be doing. It's just very therapeutic. Cleaning glass, like you see now, that's a must. I have to clean glass. I can't stand fingerprints on glass. It's just nasty. And usually I find something very sticky on my glass because I have young kids and it never fails. I love the decorative boxes. I'm able to hide remotes, lighters, you name it. And the TV, oh my gosh, the screen is always like full of fingerprints. My son, I don't know why. He just feels he has to run through and just glide his fingers across the TV. I just don't know why he does it, but he does it. But one of my biggest thing is I have to have comfy seating and seating that doesn't smell, seating that is clean. Because you know what? Young kids and their friends that come, they sit on these chairs and they eat. And I find crumbs, I have found money, I found little toys, I found all kinds of stuff in my chairs. But you may think, okay, why does she have white chairs in her family room? Never fail. I have white chairs or off-white because these are actually slip covers, which is like a godsend. All you have to do is just unzip, take the pillow inserts out and throw them in the washing machine, cold water, a little bit of detergent. I use fabric softener because I just love it. And put them on low heat to dry. And I just put them back on. And I do this probably once every 2 to 3 months anyways. But that's the best thing. So you have young kids, get slip covers, okay? Therefore, you can have a white couch and not have to worry about it. And also typically spray it with Scotch Guard. As you see, I love to have my seating smell great. So I'm testing out my new Pivotal Moments linen car sprays. It's so refreshing, soothing, clean. There's no toxins, and definitely there's no oily residue. So chair number 2 is on repeat. I do the same thing. Vacuum, make sure every little toy, if I find money, that's even golden. Girl, one day I found $20. I was like, hey, Target. But, fluff your pillows out, spray them, make sure they're nice and comfy for guests. Spray, spray, spray. I love this new scent that's coming out. A little extra doesn't hurt you. Why not? Elevate the room with a wonderful scent. Now it's time for me to clear this coffee table. As you see, I like these vases, ginger jars, various shapes, size, and colors. Blue is my thing this year. I love the color blue. It's so classic. So I'm gonna set up my coffee table. So watch. I don't know about you, but I like the dust too. Dusting, again, is therapeutic. Nice to just wipe away crud, Of course, I always find something I should not find underneath the couches and definitely my coffee table. Dust, dust, dust. Get rid of the dust. Clean the air. Remove the dust. Here I go again, fluffing more pillows. Fluff, fluff. Of course, they have to be sprayed too. And this couch, yes, a slip cover. In fact, the pillows actually have coverlets as well, and I can wash them when I need to. Here we go, my new pivotal moments. Linen and card spray, I'm testing out. Now it's ready to style the coffee table. I like starting with a tray. This coffee table is ginormous. I bought it so my kids could sit on it and we can set up our train track for Christmas and all that stuff. So it needs larger items. Doesn't need a lot necessarily, but larger items. So the tray kind of sets off zones for the table for me. And stacking is awesome. And elevating the table with these ginger jars placed at various heights. It's pleasing to the eye. I love fresh flowers. My favorite is hydrangeas. I can't grow them in Texas. They get burnt out. So I usually have to get them from the store. Very simple. What do you think? Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all social media channels.